Okay, here we are back again with Lockdown Sneaker Showcase episode 3. It's been a while since we've released one of these, but hopefully we can bring you one every week from now on. Lockdown's been extended, so we're going to extend our episodes too. Today, here we are with Jordan 1 Patent Leather UNCs. These released on the 14th of February 2019 for a retail price of £140. And they are a Jordan 1 high silhouette with obsidian blue, light blue and white. And these are probably my favourite pair of Jordan 1s I own. It's close to the Shattered Backboard 3s, but these are probably the coldest colourway I have of Jordan 1s. I have a couple, but what I most like about these is just the boldness of the colours. The patent leather itself makes it shiny, so it stands out. You can tell by looking at them how much I've worn them. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the showcase.